back into shape.
Get back into shape. Get back into shape. Get back into shape. Get back into shape.
Hey, thanks for tuning in. Just doing a little bit of a relaxation day. We decided to go to Wasaga Beach. Now, forewarning, there's a tornado watch for this evening, which probably cut down the population. Plus, it's already back to school, so all the kids are back in school. So when we came out here, we expected Beach 1 to be busy. Figured Beach 2 might be busy, but this is what we end up with. There's Beach 2 and Beach 1. There's nobody here. Nobody. So we're completely by ourselves today, which is kind of nice actually, to have the beach privately to ourselves. So yeah, that's our day so far. Looks like we may have a storm coming in at some point. Maybe we can get some video of it later. So there's the weather it just left down the beach. And here we have the weather coming in. And it's either a lot of fog or rain or something anyways, but the birds are starting to go a little crazy in the sky. And hi.
Hi.
So we kind of finished up at the beach and we decided to go for a drive out to where I scuba dive, because you got a nice view of Georgian Bay and we can kind of watch the storm coming in. And I know the GoPro adjusts for the light and stuff, but it is pretty dark right now. But the thunder and lightning is freaking amazing out here.
Yeah, fall over. Looking up.
Let's see if I can actually get over there. Oh, oh, all these rocks. Whoa!
That was beautiful.
Did that actually hit the water?
I don't think so. It was the other side.
No.
The way the water was. Woohoo!
I think I got that one. And the lens is covered in water, but... Oh, there's a little bolt. Oh, look at you. Finding all your rocks. That's what happens when you bring a witch with you.
Whoa.
Shit, I missed that one, I think. Oh, maybe I got it. It's pretty wide angle.
It is.
You don't remember? Holy
Whoa.
shit. Where was that? It's just a lit up sky. Whoa! I got that one, I think. That was pretty cool. Oh, yeah, that was beautiful. Wow. Okay, this is now, I would say, torrential. This is no longer enjoyable. Yeah, it's really raining down.
Yep.
Look at that water.
Well, at least we're in bathing suits.
Exactly. Holy crap.